What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Got a short one for you guys today, but before we get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has supported me, who's been along for the ride, who has subscribed to this channel. A huge thank you to everyone who engages with me on a daily basis. I'm so appreciative. I'm so freaking thankful of all you guys. We just hit 500 subscribers, and I'm so grateful. Time to double it from here. So yeah, I wanted to just touch up, give you guys an update. I made a video yesterday just because, you know, the timing, the situation of everything, just the way that life is right now. I'm sure everyone's having a great time sitting at home, working from home, whatever it may be. I know everyone's probably sick of just everything, just like I am. You know, all things considered, what's going on in the world. So I made a video just to try to make some people laugh, try to put some smiles on some faces, really just to see who I can make laugh, really. The video was, we're selling the M235i. That is in fact not true. That was, you know, my April Fool's joke for you guys. Just a quick little humorous video, just like I said, trying to make some people laugh. And I did get a lot of people. There was a good amount of people that hit me up, or just, you got me. So it was just all for the fun of it. This car is going absolutely nowhere. It's been way too much fun to work on, and we still have way too much on the agenda to take care of. So stay tuned for the videos coming. We got a few more interior things coming. I got 2 things for the interior, so it's kind of funny. I did say the interior was done probably 2 or 3 times now, but we got 2 more things coming for the interior. I do have the stud conversion kit from ECS Tuning, so that is going to be a following video as well. Also, we have ceramic coat for the wheels, so I got a bunch of exterior, a bunch of interior videos. But for this weekend, I have a new carbon fiber spoiler right here. This thing is absolutely beautiful, so you got to stay tuned for that, see which one we got. Big shout out to Souvenir on Instagram. I appreciate you guys sending that over. This thing is beautiful. It really just kind of brought back my entire love for carbon fiber, because the interior now has the dry carbon, but the exterior has the gloss carbon that just looks so freaking good. So I'm super excited to get this one installed. A little more aggressive than what we got. So like I said, stay tuned for that. We got a bunch more coming. I got a ton of videos coming besides what I just mentioned. I got a huge list, very big list of videos coming, so definitely stay tuned. So yeah, like I said, seriously, thank you guys so much for watching my content, for subscribing and engaging with me. 500, April 2020. Let's double it from here. Stay safe, take care of each other out there, be smart, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.